Okay, let's do a quick one this time on market crashes and the type of market pundit or media pundit who calls for a market crash. This is one of the most annoying forms of punditry that there is out there, as far as I'm concerned. It's the type of person who will call for a correction in a given stock, or call for a correction in the stock market, or call for other kinds of doomsaying predictions like, massive municipal bankruptcies, or the spike in inflation, or a spike in interest rates. The 10-year goes to 10%, inflation goes to double digits, or whatever. This is the kind of stuff that gets clicks, it gets a lot of attention in the media, which is why that type of pundit gets more coverage than, on all else equal, than any other kind of pundit. What you want to make sure that you do with punditry like this, or if you have a friend or a peer who makes bearish predictions like this, is you want to pin that person down to a time frame. It doesn't help very much if it's 2010 and you're calling for a market crash, and 10 years go by, the market goes up 100%, and you collect another 30% in dividends, and none of the things you said was going to happen happened, and yet you still call for a market crash. Like, at some point, a permabear ought to just shut up and say, I was wrong. And the thing about stocks and the stock market is they are perpetual assets. It's not like a football game where you have 1 hour of playing time and then that's it, and then we add up the score and see who wins. It doesn't work like that in the prediction market. So you want to make sure that anyone who makes a bearish call, either about a stock or any kind of investment or about the market in general, that they also apply a time frame to it so that you can kind of pin them down and measure them for real, rather than not measure them at all, or allow them to always have the out of saying, oh no, I'm early, or whatever I predicted, it just hasn't happened yet. Just you wait, it's going to happen. And of course they can say that as long as they like and never be borne out as wrong. So that's the punchline here. Anytime you hear a bearish call, make sure you get a time horizon along with it. Otherwise, ignore the call. Okay, hope that's helpful, and thanks for listening.